Do you know that you can use Canva to get your 4,000 public watch hours and get monetized as quick as possible? Yes, that is true. I have tried it and it's really worked for me. So if you have been struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours, do not scroll because this video is particularly for you. Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can use Canva and your YouTube app to get your 4,000 public watch hours. Guys, this is mind-blowing. Do not skip any part of this video because by the end I'll be showing you my analysis and how many watch hours I've gotten after using this method. It's really working. No guru will tell you about this. So without talking much, let's dive straight into it. Okay, first thing first, in this method we have 4 apps that we are going to be using. So make sure that you pay a very close attention so that you won't mix any parts. Do you understand? So the step 1, first of all, you go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write you. You ask ChatGPT to write me 30 eye-catching, clickable and engaging viral quiz in your niche. Okay, if you are in cooking niche, you can add in cooking niche, in healthcare niche, in lifestyle niche, in any niche that you are in. You understand? So my own is YouTube growth niche. Okay, in YouTube growth niche, which I can use a short video to upload on my Instagram reel or my YouTube shorts. Do you understand? Then you send it. Let's see what ChatGPT will do here. Okay, so as you can see here, ChatGPT has given me 30 quiz ideas in YouTube growth niche. So you are going to copy all of these things right now. Do you understand? Copy. Then I'm going to paste them on my notepad. You understand? You can use either your notepad or Google Docs, whatever thing that you are using. Okay, so I'm pasting them on my notepad. Do you understand? This is step 1. Then so now the step 2 is for you to go to Canva. Okay, so you go to Canva to create your video. I already have a template here on Canva which I used in creating my own videos, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm starting everything from scratch. Do you understand? So that you will get each and every point that is very, very necessary and very, very important. That is the reason why I tell you not to skip any part in this video so that you won't mix anything, you won't make any mistake. Do you understand? So when you come to Canva, you click on create. Okay, we are creating new something right now. So when you come to Canva, you choose mobile video. Do you understand? Because we want it to be horizontal, not vertical. Okay, so let's choose a template that we are going to be using here. Okay, without wasting much time, let's choose this one. I think this one is okay. Yeah, it's a bit okay. Let's just use this one. You can choose any template of your choice. Okay, I'm just using this one for the sake of this tutorial. You can choose any template of your choice, the one that seems eye-catching to you. Do you understand? So after that, you are going to be writing those quiz. You are going to copy them from your ChatGPT or your notepad and then copy them here. Okay, you are going to copy quiz number 1 and write here. Okay, after writing quiz number 1, you bring another page and write quiz number 2. Do you understand? So let me be doing it so that you'll be seeing it. Okay, so the font size is too big, so let me reduce it. Okay, I think this size is okay, so let me keep it here. I think like this is okay. Then so after writing the question, you understand, so you duplicate it. Okay, and keep it here. You go back and copy the answers. You understand, the options given to us by ChatGPT. Okay, you copy it, then you come here and paste it here. Copy it, then you click on this format. Okay, I think it's okay like this, but let us reduce the font size, it's too big. Okay, It's okay like this. Let us change the font. Okay, you can add any font of your choice, anyone that is more attractive and eye-catching to you. Do you understand? You can use it. Let's change the color so that it will be a little different, you understand, from the main question. Okay, so let us use yellow color. Okay, it's okay right now. Let's go to effects. Okay, let's use outline. Okay, let's increase the thickness and change the color as well. Black is okay. So let us add the answer part. Okay, you click on text here, then add heading. Okay, then let's write something like answer. You understand? Answer. Okay, so you take it up here, make sure it's at the center. Do you understand? So let's go to format. Let's format it capital letters so that it will be very bold. Okay, let us increase the font size. Then let me change the font. Okay, yeah, so that it will be very bold. So I think the color is okay. I think white color is okay. So the answer is no such demand. This is the answer to the question. Okay, so let's change the color of this one to yellow. Understand? I think this color is okay. Do you understand? So you can also change the font if you don't want them to be the same font. Okay, this one is okay as well. Okay, so that's good. Let's animate it, okay, so that it will be more engaging. Do you understand? So let's look for a better one. Okay, I like this pop animation. You understand? Yes, something like this. I like it. Okay, you can increase or reduce it if you want. Increase the speed or reduce the speed. You understand? So let us add sound to this. Do you understand? Because you know that sounds make this kind of thing to be more engaging. Okay, so you click on elements. You understand? So that you can add any sound of your choice. Do you understand? You go to audio. Canva here has so many sound effects that you can use for it. Do you understand? Okay, this cinematic suspense. Let's see how it goes. So another thing we are going to add here is the timer. Do you understand? It's very, very important. Okay, because it will help the video to be even longer. Okay, so you click on elements like this. Okay, so let's use this clock here. It's okay. You can also change the color if you don't like it. Do you understand? I don't really like the color. Let me check other colors. Okay, okay, this is more better than the other one. Okay, I think here is good. Let's see if we can add animation to it. Do you understand? The color and everything is good. Let's add animation to it. You can look for anyone that you like. Okay, you can look for any animation that you like, then you can add it here. You understand? You adjust it to fit in. Okay, adjust it to fit in very well. Okay, so let's see how it comes out. So after doing all of these things, let's see how the video turns out to be. Okay, okay, so for me, I think this video is okay the way it is. Do you understand? So after editing it, after doing every other thing, and you are satisfied with the way it is, you are satisfied with the way it looks, okay, then you can go ahead and download it. You just have to click on this share button here, then you click on download. Okay, make sure that the format is in MP4. Okay, that is video format. Then you click on this download. It will start downloading immediately, and after a couple of minutes it will be downloaded into your gallery. Okay, so let's move to the next step. The next step is for you to go to your InShot or any editing software that you are using, either InShot or CapCut, the one that you prefer. Do you understand? So that you can combine all the videos that you have created there. Okay, so let's go to InShot right now, and then click on video here. Okay, click on creating new. Do you understand? Then you click on all the videos that you have created in order for you to combine them together. Click all the videos. Okay, click each and every one of them. Okay, and then you click on this end here. See here, after combining all of them, it has given us almost 17 minutes long video. Okay, so that is the length of the video that you need in order for you to get this 4,000 watch hours. Make sure that your video is very long. You understand? And it's engaging as well. Okay, so after doing that, you click on this export here and export the video. Do you understand? Then you export the video. Okay, so the fourth and final step is for you to go to your YouTube app here. You click on this plus sign here. Do you understand? We are going to be using this video now to go on live, okay, for us to get our 4,000 watch hours. So you click on this pencil icon that is here so that you will edit your video. Okay, so the first thing you should do is to click on this pencil icon here for you to add your thumbnail. Do you understand? You will add thumbnail according to the video that you want to show in your live streaming. If you have created a thumbnail already, you can click on this upload thumbnail and upload it, or you take thumbnail, that is, you take photo for your thumbnail. You get? Then the second thing is for you to add your title. Make sure that you are using engaging, eye-catching, clickable title that when someone sees, they will want to click on it to know what is happening on that live streaming. Okay, let's say you can use something like "Come and join me." So you can use title like "Come and join me to answer this cooking question." You can say YouTube growth question, health question, fitness question, in your niche. Just make sure that you add your niche there so that YouTube will know what the video is all about, okay? And will also know the right people to send this live streaming to, people that we want to join. Do you understand? So that is why it is very necessary for you to add your niche at the back of it. Okay, come and join me to answer this cooking question, this YouTube growth question, this sports question, this wellness question, this fitness question, this healthcare question, something like that. Okay, so after writing your title, the next thing you should do is visibility. Make sure that it is on public, okay, because if you leave it at unlisted, people will not be seeing it, but once it is public, people will be able to see it. Do you understand? So when it comes to audience, still leave it as no, it's not made for kids. Okay, then you add your description. Make sure that your description is short. Okay, so the next thing you should do is at this location, leave it like that. Do not add anything to it. Do you understand? Then toggle this screencasting on, because that is what we are going to be doing. Do you understand? You toggle it on, then you click on next. So when you come here, you click on got it. Okay, so look at this thing here now. Okay, it says start recording or casting with YouTube. YouTube will have access to all of the information that is visible on your screen or played from your device while recording or casting. These include information such as password, payment details, photos, messages, and audio that you play. Do you understand? So when you start doing this screencasting, when you start showing your video, YouTube will have access to everything that is going on in your phone. Even if you are making call, anything that you are doing, YouTube is going to have access to it. You understand? So this is why it's very, very important. Whenever you want to do this thing, make sure that you are maybe if you have two phones, make sure that you are using the other phone that you are not using regularly. Okay, the phone that you are not using to make calls and do every other thing. Okay, if you just have one phone, make sure that at that time, at the moment, that you won't be answering call, you won't be replying to messages, you won't be doing anything. You just have to focus on this live streaming for the couple of hours that you are going to be doing it for. Do you understand? Okay, so you just click on this start now. Okay, when you click on start now, okay, let me click on it. Start now, it will bring you back to your phone screen. Okay, so because I'm using one phone, I cannot be screen recording and be showing you other things as well at this point. Do you understand? But once you click on start now, okay, it will just bring you to your phone screen like this. Do you understand? The only thing you have to do is for you to click on this all gallery here. You go to the video that you want to use, that you want to screencast. You understand? You start playing the video. That's all. Then you loop the video. Okay, make sure that you loop it so that it will be playing over and over and over and over again. Okay, when it's played finish, let me pause this thing. When it's play finish, it will play again. When it's play from beginning to the end, it will start all over again. Do you understand? And people will be coming to join your live streaming. There are some people that love this kind of thing. There are some people that really love it. Maybe they want to relax. They want to have some moment of peace. Do you understand? They will just go to YouTube to either listen for music or do anything. Once they see live streaming like this, people like that are willing to watch it. They are willing to answer questions. Do you understand? They are willing to use it for relaxation. Okay? So that is the reason why this is going to work very, very well. Okay? So for you to get a better result, make sure you live stream for at least 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so that you are going to get a better result, a better watch hour. Do you understand? So that is it. So if you find this video helpful as usual, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like it so that YouTube can share it to more people that needs to know about this. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips like this. Okay, bye, see you on my next video.